As soon as Monica Long speaks, we're going to discuss an XRP ETF on this episode. We are going to discuss the location. We have scheduled the Ethereum ETF to launch in 14 days. We will first examine the significance of the XRP pricing glitch on an exchange. Is it possible for the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies to reach 1.7 trillion? Is 1 trillion a more likely scenario? Of course, we'll compare it to 1.7, but before Germany adopts 750 Bitcoin as a substitute coin for hemorrhage, we'll scrutinize all the available data. You know where we're going to investigate the Ripple stable out there. So let's get started on this. Bitcoin, $61,245? Say it again. That has decreased by 37% in the last day. The hourly chart of XRP indicates that it is a mean lean of 46 cents, about to be 47 cents, but it is showing some life. Meanwhile, Ethereum is up 0.59% to 99 cents from the US dollar. Today, I'm buying XRP in full. I'll tell you up front that I'm buying it. To put it on the side, I need to restock more cryptocurrencies. Total market capital, 2 trillion x 22 is equal to 290 billion. I don't understand why there are people making noises and cars starting up. Jack has significantly boosted the XRP ETF market, and we anticipate this trend to persist. Listen to Monica for a while. At this point, she was on the block Ripples with Frankie FCH in a situation where we could meet numerous business needs. For financial reasons, you should expect us to use examples that extend beyond simple payments. Second, because we were just discussing ETFs, I believe it would make perfect sense for someone to introduce an XRP ETF. For what length of time has XRP been trading among the top 10? Over its whole life, it has consistently ranked in the top 5 daily volumes on reputable exchanges like Coinbase and KPIN. Oh, and there's also something else. This issue stems from the previous year's court ruling. Bitcoin and XRP are the only two cryptocurrencies. As you can see, the US legally recognizes only two cryptocurrency assets, XRP and Bitcoin. The government has approved these assets. She avoids mentioning Ethereum. Given the events surrounding Ethereum and the case's dismissal against the consensus, legal experts remain uncertain about Ethereum's status. Just yet, that's very interesting, she said. The XRP ETF is coming. She believes someone should present it. She recalls the Delaware BlackRock incident, in which they allegedly produced ETF documentation despite BlackRock's denial. I'd like to introduce you to the declining whiskey collections. There are just 28 left. Down, down, down. Whiskey establishes a unique promotional price that we will likely maintain until July 4th. It's free for you to tell the truth. Buy it, pay with cryptocurrency, and ship worldwide. Order the whiskey set for yourself. These are collector editions, complete with a small signature at the bottom. N.I. Garcia Des Spotted claims that the Ethereum ETF will start in 14 days following the S1 amendment. According to the text, the ET product might launch in 14 to 21 days. This is the final phase of S1. Changes for the spot. The Ethereum ETF indicates that there are FWI sources nearby. Due to the most recent round of S1 changes, Ethereum ETF registrations may experience delays in the fund's debut dates at any time. Although the exact launch date is unknown, we previously anticipated that it would occur in the next 2 to 3 weeks. This is beneficial news for the industry because I am well connected. Ethereum's current state bothers me, however, this is a beneficial Bitcoin alternative. The Ethereum ETF is almost exactly in that same sequence. We anticipated that they would address the query. What will be the third ranked item? Will it be an XRP or a Solana? A wildcard may reveal that all 10 of these assets, including some outside the top 10, have ETFs. This is our desired outcome. We desire institutional funding. That's how simple it is. Bring in a lot of money. Let's all benefit from being ahead of the game before the big money arrives. Allow us to leave with them. What does it sound like? Similar to the winning formula or something akin to success for a winning formula. I understood the proverb. Yes, you understand what I mean. Imagine XPR spending up to $62,000 on the crank. Permit me to give you a tiny pinch. To awaken your senses, look at these glimpses in the exchanges right now. They don't mean anything, but they hold immense significance. If this isn't enough to convince you, nothing else will. I want you to place a buy order at the price of XRP, disregard the $62,000 amount, and visit all the exchanges where you have previously encountered issues. Please set up a purchase order for me. If you don't mind, I can sell the order for $20. Determine if these malfunctions bother you. If they do, no one else will, and sales will stop. We may be examining actual data, but UPS remains active during these events. If the market cap reaches an estimated 1.7 trillion, XRP can reach its maximum price. According to crypto market researcher IGAD Crypto, if the token market cap surpasses 1.7 trillion, the price of XRP might rise over the $30 mark. The XRP market cap, as you already know, indicates who he is. The value of XRP reached a yearly high of over $40 billion in March before declining to about $145 billion, the highest as a result. Bitcoin has the highest market capitalization of any cryptocurrency at $1.98 billion, with a trading price of $60,000. That is incorrect. I had assumed that the value of Bitcoin would exceed $1 trillion, specifically $1.98 billion. However, the market value is actually closer to $1.2 trillion. If XRP reaches the 1.7 trillion price point, we could be looking at more than $30 XRP. What I'm trying to convey is this: some individuals argue that there won't be sufficient funds in cryptocurrency, which means XRP will never hit $20. Given the current situation, it would be necessary for XRP to divest all its cryptocurrency holdings to reach $20 XRP, but this is not the case. Looking ahead, we anticipate a rise from 2.2 trillion to approximately 4.5 to 5 trillion by the end of the year. If we surpass 10 trillion and declare it impossible, we may witness a potential parabolic blow-off peak of 7 to 10 trillion. For a top 10 cryptocurrency, or, if we exclude the stablecoins that are included, it's actually a top 5 cryptocurrency, so XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BNB Salon would rank number 5 in the top 5, so a top 5 cryptocurrency can't reach a $1 trillion market cap compared to a 10 trillion market cap. It doesn't make sense, so let's move on. Even if Bitcoin achieves those numbers. With this rapid growth, at 60 Bitcoins, we reach 1.2 trillion, and at 120 and 180, we reach 2.4 trillion. We're at roughly 3.8 trillion, which we'll refer to as 4. We believe that Ethereum has the potential to reach a maximum value of 10, therefore, we will multiply its price by 1.2 to arrive at 10,108,800. That's 1 trillion plus 4 trillion, or 5 trillion. We now examine BNB sales and calculate that we could not have a trillion on each of these, or 8 trillion, and then distribute the remaining 2 trillion, 100%, throughout the remaining market. Do I think XRP will experience a $20 XRP 100% increase? If so, when will that happen? The main question is, what's the location, time, and point at which I am? The crystal ball looks a little hazy. I'm not sure if it will ever be feasible. This is a cycle. For any bullish possibility to materialize, all the necessary institutions would need to be present. We would need a substantial inflow of capital from traditional markets into the cryptocurrency markets, which would require a significant increase. If we can surpass the target of a $17 to $10 trillion cryptocurrency market cap, I would be extremely satisfied, as should you. This bull earned a double-digit XRP. With a large altcoin, adding 50 cents to a $10 XRP yields a 20x return. This is a hugely significant number. Considering Solana's parabolic blow up top, we're likely looking at a 10x increase. Yes, 10x will bring us to 13,380 per coin. That's 100% feasible, which is why a 10x on XRP would make it $5. I've been saying that the range from 3 to 650 is just such a lovely spot, but a double-digit XRP is possible if we witness cryptocurrency rising from S to 10 or even greater than 10 trillion, as though it's not unthinkable. I predict a surge in XRP. I believe that I do. I believe that it will return to that level of performance. Position 2 is, $20, $30, and 100% achievable later in the bull cycle. Let us surpass 75 cents. After we break that 75-cent region, we can step back and review the current targets using XRP. Let's see how high we can go above that region. Others told me that I was crazy for believing we would still be in this position. Around 50 cents and waiting until the summer, folks thought I was insane that the breakout hadn't occurred. Nevertheless, let's continue to watch for the breakout and see where it leads.